Hi guys, I'm Dennis. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to bring you out to my very hot balcony and I'm going to show you what happened to some of my plants. Okay, just to show you how crazily hot it is in the morning. Yeah, I have plants out here that are drying up from the heat. Really sad, but I really need to bring them in because all this are turning brown from the direct sun. So it is almost the middle of the month now in May, and the sun is definitely not letting up. So I need to bring a lot of plants in really soon. Yeah, but this Syngonium Batik is actually loving it with all these huge leaves. But not so the milk confetti. Look at the colors, they have all faded. It is even too hot for this Caladium. So I'm going to bring this Caladium Thai Beauty indoors as well. See, this leaf is turning yellow and yeah, crispy. New growth, and there's a new growth here, as you can see. This needs to be watered twice a day. So this was an Alocasia amazonica. Yep, this is totally cooked, and even the ferns that were growing out of this pot are burned, as you can see, even though they are pretty sun loving, but I think this is way too much for them. Yeah, this is my coleus. I think this is chocolate queen. It needs a lot of water, and in this heat, yep, not doing well at all. This is my Caladium lindanii, burned. Yep, look at this. This is my Monstera deliciosa. Yeah, I know you guys are going to kill me for neglecting them. Yeah, the only thing that is doing well is this Ficus. This is a Ficus elastica. They're still looking really good. It loves the sun, but I got to be careful as well. I think it has acclimatized to the sun, but it was burned previously, so I'm not sure. I got to be really careful. Look how beautiful the variegation is. And this, the other Ficus, petolaris, is doing okay. So is this lyrata, looking really nice. Okay, the rest are not so lucky, yeah. And let's take a look at the ferns below. This is kind of sheltered by the bench, so they didn't really burn as much. It's a crispy wave, and the other one is the crocodile fern. So as they are shaded by the bench, they are not doing too badly. Still have a lot of yellowing and browning leaves, but other than that, they are all right. I just got to make sure that they get plenty of water. And this is the Hoya latifolia, a single leaf cutting. This is slightly burnt, but it has been like this for the longest time, just a single leaf. So yeah, not much changes here. Okay, the whale fins are doing okay. I mean, it's a little bit yellow, but they are not under direct sun, so It's not burning up yet. But look at this. This is crazy. I have to repot this. It's totally root bound and it's out of the pot because there's a new growth here that's pushing the whole plant out. Same as this. Can you see there's this new baby growth here? So this whale fins need to be repotted. So they are still pretty okay, but yeah, I'm going to move them further in so that it doesn't get the direct sun. Well, yeah, this is Hoya archboldiana. It's still doing okay right now, but I'll still bring it in anyway because I think it's definitely way too hot for its liking. The only one that is really happy under this hot sun is this Aloe, this Christmas Carol Aloe. As you can see, it has bloomed again. So yeah, this is the only one that is happy, but I got to ensure that it gets plenty of water. Oh gosh, look at my air plants. Got to bring them in. And a very hot environment will cause a bloom in spider mites as well, so I got to really keep them wet. I water them every single day of the plants here, but it's definitely way too hot. Whoa, can you see? Alright, so these plants that are sitting on the floor here next to the plant shelf are also brought in from the balcony. They were originally sitting here, but it gets really too hot, so I brought them in. This is the Philodendron gloriosum. Look at this. I think this is from, yeah, it looks like it's from overwatering, but I think it's burnt. Oops, yeah, it's burnt, and it has gotten too dry and now is attacked by spider mites. That's why you get all these yellowing leaves. But look at this leaf. This leaf is so nice and so big. This one as well, looking good. And yeah, there's this new leaf that is just unfurled. Let's take a look. Very soft and tender. And yeah, this is the Philodendron Pink Princess. Okay, this is not from the sun, but I think something happened when it was unfurling. Limited space here. Yeah, this Dieffenbachia as well. It was outside at the balcony, but I have to bring it in. Yeah, because of yeah, the heat. So this Alocasia dragon scale was out there as well, but luckily it was under shade, so it didn't really get direct sun. So but I've still decided to bring it in just in case. Yeah, this is looking really nice. And this is a new leaf. Okay, this is one plant which I've totally killed. I don't even know why I'm keeping this. This is the Anadendrum affine, which was sold to me as a Syndapsus lucens, so that's Miss ID. Yeah, this is totally fried. Don't think I can save this. Yeah, even the stems are all dried up. So, goodbye. This is another plant that I brought in from the balcony. This is the Philodendron burley marks. As you can see, some of the leaves are turning yellow, getting way too much light. I put it outside, hoping that it can get back some of the variegation with brighter light. Yeah, but it's still giving me a lot of green leaves. But whoa, check out the aerial roots. Okay, I moved this Epipremnum Snow Queen indoors as well. It was outside on the bench. Yeah, it got this yellowing leaf. I grew this out from a 2-leaf cutting, so I'm really happy with this plant. Look how beautiful the variegation is. Luckily, I moved it in time. It was way drying out and really limp. Well, it says 28.5 Celsius indoors, but I'm very sure it's way much hotter out here. Well, this Florida ghost was outside as well. Had to quickly move it in because a lot of the leaves are yellowing. Yeah, but it's not dying. I mean, it's not dead yet, so that's good. And I got a new leaf here that's looking really healthy. So I just want to save this. Yeah, but you can see most of the lower leaves are turning yellow. Look at this. This cutting of the lemon 9 petals was burned as well, so I had to bring this in. So this Hoya sigillatis was out there as well, hanging by the grill, and I had to bring this in because it's losing a lot of its leaves. Look at this, all dried up. So yeah, I hope I can save this. Very pretty Hoya. And yeah, super sun stress, as you can see, the color is burgundy instead of the usual green. But as it gets lower light, it will definitely turn to a shade of green. So the plants here that are on the floor next to the sofa is getting a lot of very bright but indirect light from the balcony. So if it gets too hot, I will just close the door or just draw the curtain. So, but it's pretty alright. I think it's liking this level of bright indirect light, especially my Dieffenbachia reflector is looking huge. I don't have much space, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the rest of this. Definitely I'm going to bring in the Syngoniums, the milk confetti, as well as the Batik. I'm going to leave the whale fins there. I think the Monstera is badly burnt. Gosh. The rest are under the bench, so it's still pretty okay. I'm just going to clear up this space. So thank you for watching this episode. Please don't slam me. I'll try to rehab as many of them as possible. I'll see you again in my next video. Meanwhile, take care, be safe, and remember to show your plants some love.